Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Etsy shop branding, thumbnails and banner designs, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Etsy account.
Navigate to your shop manager by clicking on the shop manager option. In the left sidebar, select settings.
Then, click on info and appearance to access your shop details.
Scroll down to find the thumbnail and banner sections. For the thumbnail, click on the pencil icon to edit.
Choose a high-resolution image that represents your brand effectively. Make sure the image dimensions meet Etsy's requirements for optimal display. Upload your chosen thumbnail and adjust the cropping if necessary. Once satisfied, click Save.
Next, proceed to update your shop banner.
Click on the pencil icon next to the banner section. Select an eye-catching banner image that aligns with your branding. Ensure that your banner's dimensions are in line with Etsy's specifications. Upload the new banner image. Adjust the positioning if needed to ensure key elements are visible. After finalizing the changes, click the Save button. Consider adding a tagline or your shop's name on the banner for branding clarity.
Once everything is saved, preview how your shop looks to visitors. Take note of any adjustments that may enhance your shop's appeal. Revisit the branding elements regularly to keep your shop fresh and engaging.
Finally, share your updated branding on social media to inform your audience.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.